Good morning. We've got a couple of things that we've been doing for a long time now. One of them is our area back behind the house where we've been clearing it all away so we can have a parking lot area, somewhere to park all the trailers and the vehicles. It's been pretty crazy, but we started cutting everything down, getting it hauled out, and then I checked on somebody that could come out and pull the stumps for me because I don't have a tractor or anything. And I looked at renting a backhoe. It's gonna be about $800 or $900 to get it for a couple of days. Well, for the same price, I can have somebody come out and pull them all themselves. Actually, I think he's going to end up pushing them over and then pulling them out, something along those lines. And they told me not to cut out anything more, that it would be just easier for them to just push over the trees. They're supposed to be here today to get this done. You know, it was a mess back here earlier, but now it just seems like it's a huge mess. But all the stumps are out. I got these big root balls. We got a big burn pile back there. I've got a road area cut in, so we're gonna come in from back there and then pull in back here. These cedars and mess still has to come out. All of this stuff needs to be cut up more. All of these poles these long boards, they're going to be stacked over there. And then all the branches get piled up over there. I've had everybody working. We got all those trees pushed down. I've been cutting them up. The boys been hauling them out. We've got a pretty good stack of firewood over there. Yoko's been piling it up pretty good. Keep it up, buddy. You're doing awesome. I would love to get a wood chipper out here and just chip that stuff up. And then you see all this beautiful dirt that's in here. I almost need to get the tractor in here, and I need to dig out all of this stuff and then put down rock and then do everything, because this is where we have designated a parking area, just a large parking area. I've got trailers and vehicles, and right now really no good place to put them. So here's kind of my plan, is to just come and put them all right here.